For decades, climate scientists have warned that the planet is warming. But a new scientific study suggests something even more concerning. The Earth may now be warming faster than at any point in the modern record. A new analysis released this week finds that the rate of global warming has nearly doubled in the past decade, raising urgent questions about whether the climate system is accelerating. Here's what scientists are seeing and why some researchers say we need to watch the next few years very carefully. The research, led by scientists from the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research, analyzed multiple global temperature datasets and removed the effects of natural climate fluctuations such as volcanic eruptions and El Niño Southern Oscillation. What they found was striking. From 1970 to 2015, the Earth warmed at about 0.2 degrees Celsius per decade. But since around 2015, the warming rate appears to have increased to roughly 0.35 degrees Celsius per decade. The fastest rate scientists have measured since global temperature records began in 1880. The study, published in the journal Geophysical Research Letters, describes this as a statistically significant acceleration in warming once natural variability is filtered out. In simple terms, the researchers tried to isolate human-caused warming alone, separating it from temporary climate swings. Human activity, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, has already warmed the planet by about 1.4 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era. The international goal set under the Paris Agreement is to limit long-term warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. If the faster warming rate continues, some scientists warn that the world could cross that threshold much sooner than expected, possibly within the next decade. That would increase the risks of extreme heat, stronger storms, ecosystem collapse, and other climate tipping points. One surprising factor may actually be cleaner air. In recent years, international shipping rules such as the IMO 2020 sulfur cap dramatically reduced sulfur pollution from ship fuel. While that's good news for public health, sulfur particles in the atmosphere used to reflect sunlight back into space and create a small cooling effect. With fewer of those particles in the air, more sunlight now reaches the ocean's surface, revealing warming that had previously been partially masked. Scientists sometimes call this the clean air paradox. Despite the dramatic numbers, many climate scientists say it is too early to declare a permanent acceleration. In climate science, long-term trends are typically measured over 30 years, not just a decade. A 10-year burst of extreme heat could still be influenced by unusual natural conditions or clusters of record-breaking years. That's why researchers say the next few years will be crucial. If global temperatures remain exceptionally high even after natural climate cycles shift, it would strengthen the case that the underlying warming rate really is increasing. For now, scientists agree on one thing. The planet is warming rapidly and the margin for error is shrinking. Whether the climate system has truly shifted into a faster gear, or whether we're seeing a temporary surge, the data coming in over the next few years could answer one of the most important questions in climate science. Is the planet simply warming? Or is it now warming faster than we ever expected? For deeper insights into our changing planet, follow Environment Eyepiece.